Where are you from? I'm from Canada. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Where is your book? It's on the table. Can you help me? Yes, of course. What is this? This is a pencil. Is it raining? Yes, it is. What time is it? 3 o'clock. Do you like pizza? Yes, I love pizza. Where is the bus stop? It's near the park. Who is he? He's my friend. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. What is that? That is a car. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. What's the weather like? It's sunny today. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception. Where is your phone? It's in my bag. Are you hungry? No, I'm not. What's your favorite drink? I like coffee. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6:30. Do you play sports? Yes, I play soccer. Where are you going? I'm going to the store. What's your hobby? My hobby is painting. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Do you work on weekends? No, I don't. What day is today? Today is Thursday. How do you get to work? I take the bus.